Okay, so we are here with the Attorney General and the federal court in Alexandria, where a judge ruled today that Virginia can enter the case dealing with the executive order on immigration. Attorney General, can you give me your reaction to the judge's ruling today?
Well, I'm really pleased that the judge recognized that real concrete harm was happening in Virginia as a result of the president's immigration ban. We focused our attention today on colleges and universities in Virginia where students, some 350 at least, are unable to go back home to visit family, unable to leave the country to go to academic conferences or make presentations, professors who are affected. We also have a student who's trapped overseas and can't get back, so we're working as hard as we can to get her back to school, an undergraduate student. So I'm really pleased that the judge recognized that there was ongoing harm and Virginia has the right to come in and intervene. And we'll be back on Friday to argue our motion for a preliminary injunction, and then we'll begin to get into the constitutional issues that the immigration ban raises.
So the motion to intervene today talked about financial harm to the state of Virginia. But in the comments in court today, there was talk that that doesn't necessarily get at the heart of the issue. What would you say the heart of this issue is?
What's really at stake are some of the most fundamental and cherished freedoms and rights that we have in Virginia and in our country. The right to worship freely, equal protection and due process. These are core concepts and values, and sometimes they seem lofty and abstract, but they're real. They're here to protect people, they're here to ensure our freedom, and they help protect all of us every single day. That's why this is so important.
The judge used some strong language when she talked about what she has seen in the response and the result of this executive order. She said her word was chaos that she used. She said in all of her time on the bench, she has never seen an outpouring like this in response to an executive order. What was your reaction to that?
Well, I think the judge has seen and felt what a lot of us have been seeing and feeling. I was there Saturday afternoon at Dulles Airport, and to see the chaos, to hear family members who were unable to reach others who were either turned away or denied access. I'll never forget a woman grabbing my arm, begging, pleading me to help her because they had her 5-year-old son and would give her no information. That touches the hearts of everyone who could hear that story, and I think that's what we're seeing. That's what we saw over the weekend at Dulles Airport, and that's why we're seeing it all over the country.
Thank you for joining us. And as the Attorney General said, the next steps, there is a hearing here in Alexandria on Friday, and that will talk about an injunction and moving forward with that when it comes to this executive order. In Alexandria, Laura Geller, 13 News Now.